since COVID, we've seen an acceleration of the fine wine market moving to e-commerce. So for those businesses who've embraced that and done that really well, it's been a fantastic acquisition channel for them. Here's the question. Do you treat e-commerce as a completely separate business area? Do you worry about how you're going to fund that line of business separately, or do you treat it as a sales channel? Do you treat it as an opportunity to engage with a broad addressable market and to bring new customers into your sales funnel, which you may choose to then convert to account managed or white glove managed customers thereafter? You have a choice between investing a significant amount of money in setting something up that sits as a distinct entity alongside your traditional business, or treating it as an additional sales channel to which you allocate stock, and the stock that you allocate to that channel is purposeful. You're either looking for more customers like those that you already have, but casting your net wider, or you're looking for a different sort of customer by allocating different stock, different sorts of stock to that channel. The benefit of treating e-commerce as a sales channel off a single mastered inventory is that you're able to do so without significantly increasing your costs, without worrying about separate systems that you have to log into, without worrying about training up your staff to manage the e-commerce channel through a separate system, without worrying about all of the overheads that go with effectively separate infrastructure. And where that has been done well by many fine wine businesses who've adopted the Hub and Hub Web Shop, those businesses have seen good returns. They've been able to grow their business without having to increase their costs. It's a go-to-market approach for e-commerce that we would strongly recommend.